everyone. My name is Sadia Kamal and I am from class 9. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on Teachers' Day. A very happy Teachers' Day to everyone. On this auspicious day, I convey my heartfelt regard and humility to my dignified teachers and love to all of the students who are present here today. We all know that Teachers' Day is celebrated to mark the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President and the second President of independent India. Today we are paying tribute to this greatest teacher, philosopher and statesman of our country. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan always believed that teachers should be the best mind in the country. And today we acknowledge the truth of his words as we are paying tribute to all of our incredible educators who have helped us on our educational journey. Teachers are our friend, philosopher and guide. They show us the right path to reach our destination. But nowadays we can see some undesirable incidents happening to our teachers. They are not getting their due deference from their students. In a word, they are even sometimes physically assaulted by the students. With due respect, I'd also like to mention another thing, that there are some teachers who do not impart education into their students sincerely. A teacher should also be an ideal teacher like Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Nowadays, we just restrict the day by only celebrating it. We do not take the ideals and teaching of our ideal teachers and we do not apply the same into our lives. Our celebrating of Teachers' Day will be fulfilled only when we commit ourselves to taking the ideals and teachings of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and adhering to it till the last day of our lives. On this note, I conclude my short speech. Thanks a lot to everyone. Have a nice day.